Welcome to this episode of Great Content Creators. This is the series where I shine some light on some fantastic content creators in the Unreal Engine space. Some will be more established channels, others will be smaller channels that deserve more attention. The reason for this series is that it is easy to get locked in a bubble, and once you have found one or a few channels for learning, those are the only ones you frequent. This leads to you possibly missing out on other great content creators out there. This video series is meant to help alleviate that by making those who watch my videos made aware of what I consider to be some of the best content creators when it comes to the Unreal Engine. These videos will be a small showcasing in these content creators and their content, and I hope it will be helpful for those of you that have not encountered these great channels before. Also, make sure to check out my previous episodes of great content creators so you are not missing out. In this episode, we will be looking at Alex Forsythe. So, Alex Forsythe, as you can see here, has a channel that is making programming-related videos. It's not only about Unreal. And as you can see, this channel has been inactive for quite a while. But I would claim that you should not disregard this channel anyway, because first of all, he might be starting to post something in the future, you never know, and then you probably want to keep track of what he's going to be doing. And secondly, just for the simple reason of what he has created so far is worth it as well. Now, if I were to recommend you to watch something on this specific channel, I would say that you should check out these three videos. The Unreal Engine game framework from int main to begin play, multiplayer in Unreal Engine, how to understand network replication, and blueprints versus C++, how they fit together and why you should use both. So these answer quite a lot of questions that you have starting out. They might feel a little bit advanced, but you might be able to come back to them later in that case. So this is a very thorough explanation of going through some of the sequences of how things work in Unreal Engine. This video obviously handles multiplayer in a very concise, I would say, way. And the last one is a question that many people that start out using Unreal Engine wonder about. They wonder, can I make use of blueprints? Is it stupid? Should I only learn C++? Should I learn both? This video, spoiler alert, will tell you that you should be using both, and it will be explaining why. So make sure to sub and check him out. Description will keep a link, and you'll find one in the top of the video as well. Keep on learning. Take care. A big thank you to all of you who like, comment, subscribe and share my videos, or through other means support this channel. You are what makes this channel grow and become a resource for other people to learn from.